Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Today, inshallah, we will explain statistics, unit 4. The first lesson, we have kinds of statistical data. What is the meaning of statistics? Statistics, it means a way to collecting, organizing, or representing data. What is the meaning of data? Data is the main input in many daily life situations. At the first, we will learn kinds of statistical data. We have two kinds of data. The first kind is called descriptive data, and the second type called quantitative data. Descriptive data when we talk about name, qualification, and so on. Quantitative data when we talk about age, weight, height, and so on. Let's see example. Complete. Letter A. The kind of statistic data are descriptive and quantitative data. Letter B. The birthplace, we talk about place, is descriptive. C. The age, we talk about number, is quantitative data. D. The blood type, we talk about descriptive. E. The length is, we talk about number, quantitative. Okay, now read the data on the box of milk, then classify the data according to descriptive or quantitative. Descriptive data like natural milk or full cream. What about the quantitative data? Quantitative data like price, as we see, expiry, production date, and size. Let's see another example. The opposite figure shows a model of sheet of one of personal cards of a pupil in a school. We want to write which of them are descriptive and which of them are quantitative. Let's start by the descriptive data. Descriptive data like personal photo, school, name, grade, address, class, blood type. And now let's talk about the quantitative data. Quantitative data mean I will use number to answer, like school year, birthday, telephone number, or mobile. And now let's talk about collecting descriptive data and quantitative data. How can we collect the descriptive data? Let's see example. The following table shows the distribution of the number of the foreigner tourists in a million who visited Egypt in 2009 due their nationalities. As we see at the table, we have nationality, French, German, British, Russian, Italian, and so on, total. And we have number of tourists in million. Letter A. What is the country from which the most tourists visited Egypt? And what is their percentage? The most country is Russia. It has 2.35 tourists. What about percentage? We said before, what is the meaning of percentage? Percentage mean part over total multiplied by 100. Part will be 2.35 divided by total 6.73 multiplied by 100. It will be 34.9%. Letter B. What is the country from which the least, the smallest tourist? It will be France, 0.8. And how many tourists from this country visited Egypt? 0.8. Multiply by 1 million. Why? Because we said in million. Then it will be 800,000 tourists. C. What is the number of German tourists and what their percentage? To find the number of German tourists, we will multiply 1.2 by 1 million. It will be 1,200,000 tourists. What about their percentage? Part divided total multiply by 100. Part, it will be 1.2 divided by total 6.73 multiply by 100. The answer will be 17.8%. And now let's see another example. The general evaluation of 40 students in Arabic language in a university are as following. We have two tables to collecting data, tally frequency table and symbol frequency table. And now we want to collect how many students get pass, how many get good, how many get very good, and how many excellent. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's represent as tally. When we use tally table, we represent our number as sticks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks. Then I will draw the fifth stick like this. Now we have 5. Then I will draw another 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I will write my frequency 9. And now let's count how many students get good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we will draw 14 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and write my frequency 14. And now how many students get very good? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 5, and 5. Now we have 10, 11. Then I will write my frequency 11. And now let's count how many students get excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we will draw our sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 6 sticks. And then I will write 6. Then I will find the total. 9 plus 14 plus 11 plus 4 plus 6 equals 40. Let's complete the simple frequency table. Pass 9, good 14, very good 11, and excellent 6, and the total will be 40. What is the most common evaluation? Good, the greatest value. What is the least common evaluation? Excellent, the smallest value. We talk about how can we collect descriptive data. We can use tally table or simple frequency table. And now let's talk about collecting the quantitative data. We can use the simple frequency table if the given data is distributed in a small range of numbers. But if the given data is distributed in a large range of numbers, we will use the frequency table. The difference between the maximum and the minimum value of the given data is called the range of this data. The difference between the upper limit and the lower limit of the set is called the length of this set. To find the number of set, we find the quotient of the range divided by the length of set. Let's see example. And now let's see example complete. A. The difference between the greatest value and the smallest value in a set of individuals is called the range. Letter B. The range equal, we said, maximum value minus minimum value. If the value, letter C, if the value of frequency distribution between 10 and 90, then the range will be maximum minus minimum. 90 minus 10 equals 80. D. The range of value 5 to 9, 6, 6, and 4 will be, the maximum will be 9, minimum will be 2 equals 7. E. The range of number 19, 14, 9, and 3 will be, maximum will be 19 minus minimum will be 3. The answer will be 16. If the marks of 5 pupils will be 22, 39, 45, 62, and 54, the range will be the maximum value 62 minus 22 equals 40. G. If the range, he give me now range, if the range is 34 and the lowest value is 45, then the highest value is which number minus 45 give me 34 equals 45 plus 34 equals 79. H. If 87 is the greatest individual of a set and the range is 39, then the smallest value will be 87 minus what give me 39? It will be 48.